Ahead of the Haryana dangle, the BJP has slammed the opposition parties of the India Alliance in contest in the assembly elections of Haryana. BJP spokesperson Shehzad Poonawalla has now commented on the possible AAP-Congress alliance in Haryana and has also slammed the India Alliance for having no mission and vision. He claimed they have no vision and mission and they just want to protect their corruption. He's also raised allegation saying that they are currently desperate in Haryana. Let's now listen into what the BJP has to say.
का कोई मिशन या विजन नहीं है, ये केवल अपने अपने एम्बिशन और अपने अपने कंफ्यूजन में चलते रहते हैं और मोदी से ऑब्सेशन है और अपना अपना करप्शन बचाना है। इसीलिए कहीं पर गठबंधन कर देते हैं, फिर वो गठबंधन टूट जाता है। अब देखिए, पंजाब में आम आदमी पार्टी और कांग्रेस पार्टी एक दूसरे को बोलते हैं हम आपके हैं कौन। दिल्ली में अभी कुछ दिन पहले तक हम साथ साथ है था, पर अब अकेले हम अकेले तुम हो चुका है। और अब हरियाणा में कभी हाँ कभी ना चल रहा है। पता नहीं ये फिल्म कितने दिन चलेगी, परंतु जब ये फिल्म की प्रोडक्शन चल भी रही है, उसी बीच कांग्रेस पार्टी उन्हीं के एक विधायक को अपने साथ ले भी लेती है, राजेंद्र पाल गौतम, जिसके इस्तीफे की मांग एक समय पर कांग्रेस करती थी क्योंकि उनके मंदिरों के विषय में, हिंदुओं के विषय में बहुत आपत्तिजनक बयान है। तो ये अलायंस में कोई मिशन विशन नहीं है, ये केवल अपने अपने एम्बिशन से ग्रसित है। इंडी अलायंस का
All right, my colleague Mehndi Garg joins me right now on the broadcast. Mehndi, as we are seeing the political slugfest now heating up ahead of the assembly elections in Haryana, and just as the list of the Congress for the first set of candidates is out, now the BJP has been attacking both the opposition parties in Haryana for having the possibility of forming the alliance there, while clearly the Vinicius Phogat's decision to join the Congress is being seen as a masterstroke. What actually lies ahead for the opposition parties in this regard?
Well, Simran, right now if we talk about the Haryana Assembly election, then there is a talk of the town that Aam Aadmi Party and Congress alliance in Haryana will be happening, and on that BJP is very much in an attacking mode right now, and they're attacking both of the parties and saying different things that we heard now also that BJP leader Shehzad Poonawalla has attacked the Congress party along with India Alliance that they don't have any mission and vision, and they just are working for their ambition and for taking care of their corruption. And also Shehzad Poonawalla has accused that they want to protect their corruption, that's why they form an alliance in some places. However, it breaks later on, and he Simran talks about different state also. He talks about Punjab, that how Aam Aadmi Party and Congress are against each other in Punjab. He talked about Delhi, that they were together earlier for the Delhi elections, but later on due to some uncertainties they parted ways in Delhi, and now for their convenience to have a win in Haryana Assembly elections, these uncertainties in Haryana will be happening, and now Aam Aadmi Party and Congress will again be together in the state for the elections, and it shows their desperation in Haryana. This has been accusations that have been put by Shehzad Poonawalla on the India Alliance, and also he has said that these political parties stand against each other in Haryana are also having to come together, and he said that it means that they have no surety of people's support in Haryana if they contest the elections alone. So yes, the political war of words have been heated up between India Alliance and also the Bharatiya Janata Party, because Haryana elections are very near right now, and yesterday we all saw that how Congress Party has released their first list of candidates. After that, the politics have more and more, and the war of words have more and more increased on this matter.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.